Honorable Speaker.
Senator Cheranke.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to support this statement on the road that is in Malindi, where you come from, Mombasa, Malindi. And I know this is your county. Mr. Speaker, we are proud of you as being the fourth speaker of this session. And Mr. Speaker, allow me to congratulate you for the successful presidential visit, which you and other colleagues did well in that region. And
point
I
of
know
order,
the future
Speaker.
is bright, Mr. Speaker.
What is your point of order, Senator Safari?
But I'm just congratulating the Speaker.
Mr. Speaker.
Sabotage, failure. Zima yako.
Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 120 on relevance. I don't know or see any relevance of your weekend tours to the statement that has been brought forward by the Senator for Tana River, Mungatana. So these stories of the tours that have been done by the outgoing regime, please keep them out of this house, because we are not interested in those things. Let us address the issues that have been brought to the house, to the floor of the house. So he needs to demonstrate how relevant it is to the conversations that are, to the statement by Senator Mungatana.
Honorable Cherange, you may proceed, please.
Thank you, Speaker. And in fact, I wanted to tie up, you know, the Senator of Nairobi should learn to listen. He always talks, so he should learn to listen. And Mr. Speaker, he should learn to listen, because I was saying, courtesy of the leadership tour led by you and His Excellency the President, these are some of the issues we should discuss about infrastructure within Kilifi and the larger coast. So that is the nexus, my brother. This is not a Wangamati funeral where you are speaking down on everybody. Mr. Speaker, and therefore, we must ensure that the budget, and I want to agree with your Senator Matzayo, who is a ranking member of this House, Mr. Speaker, that we need, and I want to confirm to the House, even in the budget, these are some of the engagements that we are doing within broad-based to ensure infrastructure, Mr. Speaker. And Mr. Speaker, you are aware, as part of leadership of this country, that courtesy of the National Infrastructure Fund of 5 trillion Kenyan shillings, some of these roads will benefit from that, Mr. Speaker. And we hope when we visit you in Kilifi, which we have done on several occasions, these are some of the infrastructural structures, Mr. Speaker, that will be given in development of this country. And therefore, I want to thank the minority leader for bringing this issue up, Mr. Speaker. We will work together, and I know the CS of Transport, Davis Chirchir, who normally works in silence, will ensure that this road of Mombasa Malindi will be fixed. Because I have seen even in Nandi, Mr. Speaker, all my roads, he works in silence, Mr. Speaker. All my roads, including Chavakali to Kapsabet, is being fixed. Nandil Simaki is being fixed. Celia Kaiboi, Kapkatembu is being fixed, Mr. Speaker. The one from Timborua all the way to Kisumu, Mambo Leo, all the way to Kisumu, because Mr. Speaker is being worked. Even in Vihiga, there are a number of roads that we are fixing courtesy of Prime Cabinet Secretary, Mr. Speaker. So we are doing even in Mombasa, Mr. Speaker. We must ensure that the roads to Singapore remains unstoppable. Even the airport in Narok being worked, Mr. Speaker. Even in this city, we must ensure the roads are fixed. Even the one from northern Kenya, Mr. Speaker, all the way from Wajir, Kotulo, Tarbaj, all the way to Isiolo to Nairobi is being fixed, Mr. Speaker. Even in Embu, no one can tell us that it is a not outgoing regime. This is the regime that will take Kenya to Singapore, Mr. Speaker. The fact that you have many people attending your rallies in weekend, they are not votes. Ask some of us. The fact that you are in TikTok videos, that are not votes, Mr. Speaker. The journey to Singapore will remain unstoppable, Mr. Speaker. And we need roads that will ensure, Mr. Speaker. And I know under your leadership and the leadership of the President, we will go far, Dr. William Ruto, Mr. Speaker. The people like Senator Sifuna, wanaweza osha mkono, lakini hawatakula nyama, watasikia harufu. Mr. Speaker, with those many remarks, I support these statements.
Senator Munyahaji.
Asante Mheshimiwa Spika kwa kunipa fursa hii kuchangia maombi